So I want us to examine one aspect of the Model Penal Code just a little bit more. That's the fourth section of the Model Penal Code, not the product of the effort or determination of the actor. There's a phenomenon called highway hypnosis, or what we might call white line fever. And I suspect everybody who's watching this instruction has experienced this. This is where one drives for a distance, drives safely, observing all the traffic laws in a correct manner, but has absolutely no recollection of having done it. Did I really stop at that stop sign? Did I really stop at that light? Is that actor committing a voluntary act? So let's take that situation and apply it to a trucker. It's got a long distance haul, it's a straight, clean highway, and that actor, that trucker, is zoning out. Now imagine, like Dezina, our trucker hits somebody. And now he's charged with a similar statute to what Dezina was charged with. He's charged with operating a motor vehicle, or a truck in this case, with criminal negligence. And he says, I didn't operate that truck voluntarily. I was completely zoned out. I wasn't even paying any attention. Check out this multiple choice question using the scenario that I've just developed. And using the Model Penal Code as guideline, try to select the correct answer whether you believe that the defendant operated a motor vehicle, in this case operated a truck, when he actually hit that car. So how did you do on the trucker who was zoned out driving down the highway? Was it a voluntary act? Was it an involuntary act of operating the truck? The correct answer is A. D has committed a voluntary act according to the Model Penal Code. Why is that? Wasn't he zoned out? Well, Section D of the Model Penal Code of that section actually helps us answer the question. The Model Penal Code specifically rejects the issue of highway hypnosis by saying that an act that is habitual can't be involuntary. And so because our actor was zoned out, because our actor was doing a habitual act, he actually was committing a voluntary act. That's why B is wrong. It's not an involuntary act. So what about C? Wasn't he under hypnosis? We call it highway hypnosis, but he wasn't really under that notion of hypnosis or hypnotic suggestion. And check out D. D says, well, he was awake, therefore it was a voluntary act. Yes, it's true he was awake, but that doesn't make it a voluntary act. There are times where our actor is committing an involuntary act despite being awake, committing an involuntary act while under reflex. He'd be awake, but nonetheless it would still be an involuntary act. So in this multiple choice question, the correct answer is A. This was a voluntary act. D is not an appropriate section because this was the product of the effort or determination of this actor.